guys can see from the title, like everyone knows, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime. So yeah, and I made slime. This is with 2 ingredients. Basically 1 because everyone uses. Not everyone uses slime, but who cares? And I'm going to be. This is not really slime, but it basically is. See, and I made this 2 days ago, and it still has not enough because I put it in a Ziploc bag. So this is. Type of glue, but all the slimes that I've made are with Elmer's glue. So, and there's some slimes that I haven't made glue with because I didn't have glue. My mom bought me glue like I think 4 days, like last Saturday, and then it's still full, but it's right here. It's like right here, and I use like half right here to make laundry detergent and glue slime. Since and borax and glue slime. I did not burn my hands. Except for right here. See, that was. But yeah, so, and then after the glue, you need toothpaste. I recommend this brand, which is Crest, because Crest is, and I recommend the gel one, not like the pasty one, because I tried the pasty one, because we have 2 toothpaste in my drawers. And I tried 2 of the pasty. I tried the pasty one. It didn't go well. This one is the gel one. So yeah, it went well. The pasty one just turned liquidy. And this one's the gel one. So yeah, the gel one I really recommend. If there's Colgate toothpaste and it's gel, then I recommend it. And I used and my mom let me use the what's it called again? The borax. I mean, not the borax. The baking soda toothpaste powder, and but you can't really stretch it like how you can stretch this, because as soon as you did, it went like that. So yeah, can't really do that. Alright, so on to the video. Okay, so first the ingredients you need are a mixing bowl, something to mix with, and the reason why there's like leftover stuff in it is because that's where I made my slime with, and I couldn't wash it because I had to go to sleep, because I don't have a bedtime, but I go to sleep when I want to. Oh, where's my thing to mix with? Okay, up there, block. Okay, lucky me, I found it. And then first you need a bowl, something to mix with, and then something to mix with, and I'm using a toothpick, and then you'll need toothpaste, and then glue. Alright, so first of all, you have to pour your toothpaste first. So I'm going to pour in like this much. See how it's the gel type? And I'm making a lot since I really like this slime. And it's a good idea for those that don't have borax. For those that don't have glue, I think you should recommend the toothpaste and shampoo. If you don't have shampoo, then something's wrong. But yeah. Okay, so I put in my glue, and this is what it looks like. Now you have to mix very well. Okay. Alright, so it's turning into that consistency. Okay, so let me take my phone. And then now it's turning into that consistency. This is horrible when you have to like use. Okay, so Okay, so this is what it looks like. See, it's turning to that consistency. And then it smells so strong in my room. Oh, speaking of in my room, I'm gonna change places of where I'm going to record. I'm going to record in like a brighter place because my quality, I watch my videos. Yep, I go on YouTube, watch them, and the quality is not really awesome. So, okay, so I think I need a little bit more toothpaste. Okay, so I guess that's what it's trying to tell me. Oh, guys, I'm going to be making a movie soon, so first I need to make the trailer, so. Okay, so it's really turning into, okay, I guess you're not supposed to make a lot, but yeah. This is what it feels like, and it feels horrible. Okay, so I'm gonna make it a little stickier. So I'm gonna put like half my glue bottle again. And I'm very upset because this worked the other day, and I don't want to waste my whole glue bottle on something that's not even gonna work. So yeah. So I'm basically wasting my money on something that's not even working. Okay, so this is how it turned out. And it sort of came on my hand, but for those that like sticky stuff, here you go, and here's your slime. And see, it doesn't come out. That's because it's slime. So hope you guys, hoping you guys enjoy this video and stuff. And please subscribe and link down below. Link down below and comment, please. And subscribe. Ta-da! This is how it came out. Because I put some activator in there. Put some activator in it so it can activate. So done. Worked. Oops.